The average workday in a factory begins at 6 in the morning and ends at 9 at night. Many of these workers only have one break for lunch, and if they're lucky, and have a nice factory owner, they might have another short break for dinner. Most factory workers are overworked and have very little money with which to support their families. Many retreat to the pub to drink away their problems. By contrast, the factory owners and managers have a lot more money because their businesses are booming. These families live in large houses and can afford to send their children to school. Some factory owners even build additional factories along the river with the profits made from their original factory. Add the following items to your drawing. You have 3 minutes to do so. Note: if you begin running out of room, then you may remove some trees. Add 5 pubs, destroy 5 houses for a total of 40, and then add 4 tenements. Add 2 large homes labelled with a chal. Add another factory and an additional 15 houses for factory managers.